Buongiorno, pasta lovers. Welcome back to our channel all about pasta. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Naples, Italy, to discover the wonders of an exquisite and lesser-known pasta variety, Mafaldine. Also known as reginette, which means little queens, Mafaldine is a ribbon-style pasta, easily recognized by its wavy edges. And here are 5 fascinating facts you might not know about Mafaldine. Mafaldine was named in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy in the early 20th century. Yes, that's right, the same queen who has a type of pizza named after her. This pasta was designed to represent the queen's crown with its regal, wavy edges. Naples pride. Mafaldine is a proud product of Naples, a city with a rich pasta-making heritage. So, when you're enjoying Mafaldine, you're getting a real taste of Neapolitan tradition. Fact number 3. Due to its unique shape, Mafaldine is perfect for holding thicker sauces. Think hearty ragù or a creamy, mushroom-based sauce. It's a versatile pasta that adds an element of sophistication to your plate. Mafaldine is traditionally made without eggs, making it an excellent choice for our vegetarian friends out there. Mafaldine typically takes between 10 to 12 minutes to cook to al dente perfection. So it's a great option for a quick, yet impressive, dinner. So there you have it, folks, Mafaldine. Not just a pasta, but a dish with a rich history, fit for royalty, and ready to elevate your next meal. Join us next time when we'll be exploring more pasta wonders from the heart of Italy. And remember, life is a combination of magic and pasta. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more pasta facts and recipes. Arrivederci.